In this video, we will be talking about depreciation. Depreciation is the process of expensing a long-term plant asset due to its decline in usefulness. All assets depreciate except for land. Depreciation is a deferred expense because we don't expense it all at once when we buy it. Instead, we spread the expense over its useful life. Depreciation is expensed in the account depreciation expense and added up in the accumulated depreciation account. Straight-line depreciation is when we depreciate the same amount each year. The equation for this is the cost of asset minus any salvage value. Sometimes there is none, sometimes there is. Salvage value is what the company thinks they can sell the asset for at the end of its useful life. And then we divide that by the number of useful years. There are 4 steps in calculating depreciation using the straight line method. The first one would be facts. Find how much the asset cost, how long you will use it for, and if there is any salvage value. Step 2 would be to subtract the salvage value from the cost of the asset. The third step would be to divide that number by the number of useful years the asset has. And step 4 is that is your yearly depreciation expense for the asset. You can now complete the journal entry. In this practice problem, we know that on January 1st, Bella Beauty purchases a new machine for $100,000. They expect to use the machine for 10 years, then resell it for $25,000. On January 1st, we need to record the purchase of the machine. This would include a debit to machinery for $100,000 and a credit to cash for $100,000. The next question is, what is the yearly depreciation expense for the machine using straight line depreciation? We know that the original equation is cost of the asset minus salvage value divided by the number of useful years. We also can see then that the cost of our asset was $100,000, our salvage value is $25,000, and we're going to divide that by 10 years. This leads us to see that our depreciation expense is $7,500 per year. That will not change. It will be the same amount every single year. What is the journal entry on December 31st, 2020 to record depreciation for the year? We now know that each year we are going to depreciate it by $7,500. So our debit will be depreciation expense machinery for $7,500. And then we will credit accumulated depreciation of machinery for $7,500 as well. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter what accounting class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need to know about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online, or just drop in during any of our open business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.